Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix if you are having audio problem or sound problem. So in this video I'm going to give you some suggestion and tips that may help you to fix your problem. So before we begin, start running automated audio or troubleshoot. First of all, if you are new on channel, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. So let's start the video. So if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, what you need to do, you have to go to your speaker. So you can see the speaker icon at the bottom. You have to go to this icon and right click on it and go to sounds. So it will open all the output devices. So you have to go to playback and you need to check whether the prefer audio output device is selected or not. So if it is not selected, you have to select. Suppose I want to play my music on the speakers, which is built in on my laptop. So I have to select this one. If you want to select another device, you will have to right click on it and you have to set it as default. Suppose if you are using external speaker, so the external speaker must be there in the list. So you have to right click on that and you have to select as default device. So when you play any music, it will play in the external speaker or external output device. Fine. So now guys, another option, if this doesn't fix your problem, then another solution is you can run the troubleshoot. So to run the troubleshoot, you have to just close this window and you have to search audio troubleshoot. So you have to open this. It may solve your problem. So let's see. So now we have to click on next and it will detect any problem if it is there in our sound driver, our audio driver. Or you can also launch the troubleshoot by going into settings. Let's go to the settings and go to systems. Where are systems? So this is system. You need to open this and go to sounds and open sound. Now you have to click on troubleshoot. So again, it will diagnose your problem if it is exist on your system. So right now it is checking the audio service status. Wait for the moment and it will give you. So it is asking which device do you want to troubleshoot. Since if you are having any problem, any kind of a problem with any certain device like headphones or internal aux jack, or you are having problem with the speakers, you can select any of them and click on next. Suppose I'm having a problem with the speakers, so you have to click on next. Select the speakers and click on next. So turn off the sound effect and enhancement. So you have yes and open the sound. So what you have to do, you have to unselect all these options and apply. So if any of the options selected, you have to uncheck all of them and click on apply and click on OK. So after applying these settings, at least let's see if your problem solved or not. So you have to check whether your problem solved or not. If it doesn't check, then you may have to update your audio driver. So you can update the audio driver by going into the window updates. Usually the drivers update comes in Windows updates. So you may check here if there is any update of audio, or you may update manually by going into your device manager. So you can go to the device manager, open it, and now you have to go to sounds, video, and game. So now you have to select your device that you are having a problem with. So suppose I'm having a problem with uh, this one. So internal Intel display out audio. Fine, you have to click on this and you need to click on update driver. So you can update driver from here and click on search automatically for driver if there is any update. So it is saying that the best driver for your device are already installed. So usually this message shows when you update from here. So the common method to solve this problem is you can uninstall your device, basically device driver or this device, and restart your PC. It will restart your PC. When you restart your PC, it will automatically install your device, your sound driver, and reset your sound driver. If any problem exists with your sound driver or audio driver, it will fix automatically. So these are the methods you can apply. And last and not the least is you can see if there is any update and you didn't install it yet. So you can restart your PC, and when you restart your PC, it will reset all the settings and it might solve your problem. These are the options you can opt to solve such audio problem in your Windows, and I hope you understood. If you are still having a problem, then let me know in comment section. I'll give you some more updates on that, and till then, bye bye.